In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide contact from Spotlight search on iPhone. So if each time you use the Spotlight search on your iPhone, your contact comes up, then you can easily hide the contact from this Spotlight search. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to hide contact from Spotlight search on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings page, just scroll down to contact and click on it. So contact. Then once you selected that, on this page, click on Siri and Search. Then once you click on Siri and Search, come to Y session, then disable Show Content in Search. Then once you disable Show Content in Search, your contact content will be hidden on Search. And if you disable Show App in Search, your contact app will be hidden while on Search. So let's go ahead and search for contact again. Contact. You can see the contact application is no longer available on the Spotlight search, but the contact application is available on your iPhone. So this is how you can actually hide your contact from your iPhone Spotlight search. So this is helpful and educative. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.